Okay guys, welcome again to the channel, and this is the part 4 of binary tree series, and in which we solve the question 145 binary tree post order traversal. Okay, so after solving in order as well as a post order, we have just having a clear mind to just solve this question on the approach of both the question. Just like in the in order, we just have to go with the approach of a left, then we have to go to the root node and then right. But in the post order, we just have to go to the root node, then left and then right. But in this case, we just see the input 1 null 2 3 like this. 1, and the one leftmost node is null, and then rightmost node is 2, and the two left node is 3. So we have to print the leftmost node like 3, which is the left of the 2, and then 2, and then main node, which is 1. So root node comes at the last stage, but the leftmost node is comes in the first. Okay, after seeing the second example, we just have a clear idea of this. Like if you see the input, and after seeing the output, you just visualize this thing. Like 4 is written in the leftmost of the tree, and then 6, and then 7, and then the root node of the 6 and 7 5. Okay, after that we just go to the 2, which is also the leftmost node, but not going to the 1 is the actually a main root node, so we just have to print 1 at the last stage. That's why we just go to the 9, which is the rightmost node. After that 8, after that 3, then after 1. Okay, you have to print the leftmost node first, then you have to go the rightmost node, and then you have to print the main root node. Okay, so you have a clear idea to go with this approach. And okay, so let me see the solution of this code. Okay, so firstly we check if the root is pointing to the null pointer, then we just return back to the problem. And so okay, post order, let me click this, we make another function, name a post order. Okay, and then apply a tree node. So to just the focus on the spellings, because spelling are the main thing which can cause a error in this problem. And then vector, after that int, and storing this all thing in the result format or in the result vector. Then we just apply the brackets and check if the root is equals to null pointer, then we just return out of the problem. And apply the both cases as we apply in the in order as well as the post order. So the post order, we just write the root left comma result. Okay, means the root leftmost node is the storing, we just store the value of the root left in the result vector. After seeing the output, we just having both the bracket and this output, just because just you have to store the all the nodes in the result vector format. This is the a basic case in which we understand that what kind of output we want from the question. And then the root right, and this is also stored in the result. And then we just push back the last the last root node and the result vector. So result that push back, and root slash value. Okay, and then by a semicolon. After that, in this question a function which is a post order traversal, we just write the vector int. It is basically a data type of a result. And then we just have to go to the again calling the same function, which is recursively check each node. And in this node function, we just write the value of root as well as a result, and then apply a semicolon. After that, we have a final step to return the result. Okay, yes. So okay, I hope this works. We'll just run it. Yes, so it passes all the test cases, and I hope you understand this code. Okay, so the basic code and one of the most optimal approach to solve the post order traversal questions. And okay, so we meet in the next video.